Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 5 in English 102. This week, you begin to work on your argumentative synthesis paper, and you are going to be taking the concepts that you talked about a little bit that you broached in the proposal paper and begin jotting those down into cohesive synthesis of your perspective and other people's perspectives on social justice issue. All right. The proposal paper was due over the weekend. So this week we begin looking specifically at argumentation and synthesis writing. And to that end, I am changing the list of lecture material just slightly that we have listed on our course schedule. Instead of looking at argumentative thesis statements this week, we'll save that for next week. This week we'll look at just defining argumentative synthesis. And then I also have a set of lecture notes for you all on counter arguments. So you'll have two sets of lecture notes, one on defining what an argument synthesis is, and the next on defining what counter arguments are and how you can build those in your writing. All right, so that's our main lecture material this week. We do have some new material to read as far as our continued exploration of social justice issues in the world at large. And this week, we're going to be focusing on fiction and how we can see social justice issues filter into creative works. So we're going to be looking at a couple of short stories that are related to one another, and then I want you to answer some discussion questions on a discussion board. All right. You also do need to start writing your argumentative synthesis. I'm going to ask that you have a rough draft this week for peer review. So we have a quick turnaround here between the proposal paper and starting our argumentative synthesis. I am putting in grades for the last instructor review of the proposal, and I'll begin grading proposals this week. So you should see some scores pop up in your gradebook regarding those assignments. All right. Otherwise, we do have week 5 journal prompts to complete. And if you have any questions at all as we continue to progress through our material, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here for you guys. All right. Have a great week.